Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain a Spring project, and the project name is Vehicle Insurance System. And first create a Maven project with Vehicle Insurance System. Then inside the source main Java folder, create one package called config package, where you have hibernate config.java. And this Hibernate config.java contains the configuration properties like database URL, which is the MySQL database I'm using here. MySQL URL, that is jdbc colon MySQL colon / localhost colon 3306 / Spring. Spring is the database here, database name. And next is the database driver is the MySQL driver, that is com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. And database dialect is the MySQL dialect, that is org.hibernate.dialect.mysql dialect. And database username is loop code and database password is the loop code. And this is the configuration information which is written inside the Hibernate config. Then next is the MVC web application initializer.java class. And next one is the security web application initializer, web config, and web security config. These all are the config applications, configuration applications. Next, the control starts from the here there are some. These are the controller classes, and these are the DAO classes, and these are the model classes. And first, the control starts from the uh, home.jsp. First, the controller starts from home.jsp, where the this user details, and it contains all this search details, vehicle details, and user details. So first, the control starts from login.jsp. So as soon as the user first the admin logins here, admin needs to log in here with username and password. With username as admin, and password is given here. So with username and password, once the admin logins, he enters into home.jsp. Then inside the home.jsp, uh, the file is included here, sidebar.jsp. So inside the sidebar.jsp, we are having the menu here. Menu is home, user, vehicle. We are having the menu home, user, vehicle, and insurance. So whichever you want, you can use the menu here. Once you click on the user, the control goes to the user form. So once you click on the user, control goes to the user form. Inside the user form, the user details are given here. You can add the user. Home users list is given here. You can add the user, and user details are given. So there is a form given here. Once you submit these user details, like username, password, gender, and nationality, and license number, and role and authority. Once you submit, then the control goes to your form action is given as save user data.html. So the control goes to the controller now. So where is the controller here? Controller goes to user controller. User controller.java, where this is the URL for user form. The control comes from user form to user controller, and public model and use show user form. And excuse me. Once you click on the add user, then the control goes to this Yeah, control comes here, save user data. So here public model and you save user at the rate model attribute user model user model and view MAB equal to new model and view of application constants dot master underscore page. If user dot get id equal to null and if user DAO dot save user, then first it goes to the save method of user DAO. It goes to the from the controller. The control goes to save method of user DAO. Inside the save method of user DAO, this is the interface, and there is an implementation class here. Inside the save method of user DAO, boolean flag is false, and here some uh, string encoded is equal to new this this bcrypt password encoder dot encode user dot get password and user dot set password of encoded session factory dot get current session dot save or update of user flag is assigned to true. Then next the control return backs here. And the control returns to user DAO and the here the model is saved here. And next so that you can add the user like that, and similarly you can add the insurance form is there, like that. Similarly insurance form is there where you can add the insurance here, where you can add the insurance details like serial number, insurance provider, insurance number, insurance valid date, insurance holder, and the actions. So you can add, as well as there is an insurance form here, and if you submit this insurance form, these are the fields you need to submit inside the insurance form. It is provider, insurance number, insurance valid date, and then when you submit, then the control goes to save insurance data.html. So similarly, you have a vehicle form also where you can add the vehicle details. So for vehicle details, what are the fields you need to submit here? You need to submit the vehicle username, source, category, plate number, manufacturer, type, etc. So you need to submit these vehicle details and then say submit. Like that, so you can add the user, you can edit the user, you can delete the user. Similarly, you can add the vehicle form, and you can edit and you can also delete the vehicle numbers. And similarly, you can add the insurance details and you can edit the insurance details, and similarly you can delete the details. So now I'll run this project and show you. Right click on the project. Once you right click on the project, run on server. Then select the Tomcat server, say next, select the appropriate project and say finish. Now the server is starting now. So the server is starting. Yeah, since you need to first log in. First the control enters into login, so you need to log in this. This is the username and admin. There is a password here. When you say submit, the control goes to home.jsp. So this is the home.jsp where this is the toggle bar where you are having the menu here. Inside the user, you are having add user and view users, and this is the vehicle insurance search and change password. So once I set add user, then you can add the user here, give some username here, Scott, gender is male, nationality, and some license number, and role is user. Then you say save. Once you say save, you can see the users list here. Yeah, Scott is also entered in the users list. So now you can edit this. First you can take the insurance details. You can add the insurance details here. Insurance provider, insurance number, and insurance valid date. And then say save. Once you save that, and you can see the insurance list also. This is added here. Now you can edit this insurance details also. You can edit any field, and you can check whether it is updated or not. The insurance provider is updated. Then next you can go for vehicle. Similarly, you can see the vehicle list. You can add the vehicle list. You can go here and go for the user, view users. Inside view users, you can add the vehicle details also. Your source, category car, plate number, manufacturer, color. You can give the details here. Registration date, pending fines, and then say save. Then you can see the vehicles list here. And if you want, you can delete the vehicle list. So this is about the vehicle insurance system. So hope you understood. So I'll continue in the next video. Thank you.